सनद बिल्डर्स and developers. घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे. Flat prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
I also want to share with you, many times media asks us whether what strain is it. आम्ही जे 15 टेस्ट धाडलेले हांगा NIV ते आमच्याकडे आतापर्यंत रिपोर्ट येवंक ना. आमच्याकडे रिपोर्ट ना तेजो. एंड म्हणून आम्ही एक्सप्लोर करता पॉसिबिलिटी. हांवें सांगला डीनाक and we have also secretary myself, we will explore possibility because it's not easy. It is easy to in a media press conference to just say something, but it is not easy. That genome testing म्हणता ते कशे implement आम्ही करू शकता. Now we can tie up with somebody because NIV is the only place which we are doing, and we have got a beautiful virology lab which Dean says is already commissioned. And basically हांगा जर आमकां करू शकता इक्विपमेंटाक कमीत कमी 1.5 कोटी लागता, पूण तेज्या खातीर चलोवपाक आमकां त्या तरेचे एक्सपर्ट्स लागता. ह्यो एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल आहा काय ना हे सगळे डीन वील एक्झामीन एंड पुट इट टू द गव्हर्मेंट बिफोर द नेक्स्ट एक्सपर्ट कमिटी मीटिंग. एंड इफ इट इज टू स्पेंड 1.5 crores of rupees and to get this genome testing here so that we know what type of strain we are dealing with in the state of Goa, there is no harm in exploring the possibility. And also workability, functionality of such a lab is also important. It's not only purchasing the equipment, it's also to see whether we are able to run it. So Dean will explore and report to Secretary exactly how we need to move forward. Now looking at this, we are all peaceful at the moment. But here suddenly we find that bed capacity is getting full. As we speak, we have got 10 patients on the trolley in Goa Medical College having COVID positive, who are COVID positive. So this is the situation at the moment. Otherwise tomorrow you will say, somebody will put a photograph in the newspaper that there are 10 people or there are 5 people. That is the situation. Bed capacity is getting full and it's getting full by the day. Hence it is very important for all of us to be careful. Social distancing as well as wearing masks in a proper fashion is a must. In addition to this, we have to also see and emphasize through the media mass vaccination, what is being done. Somebody put a photograph. We have not shut down any center. We have only shifted the center in Goa Medical College. Earlier it was in a lecture hall where we had used and we had made the whole facility there. But since there are examinations and other things being held, we needed to use that. But the facility is there. I have mentioned to Dean, I have sent an email also that the facility in Goa Medical College must be a state-of-art facility, and they will do it. What they are doing, they already have a facility in place. In addition, social distancing and other things, we are having all those Pendol systems like we had earlier, last year, at all the PHCs, CHCs, and at the Goa Medical College and the district hospitals, so that we are able to deal with patients in a better manner. For now, we are not stopping any other procedure in Goa Medical College. We are giving directions to all the HODs to ensure that all precautionary wear, clothes, other thing, whatever is required, and protective gear is given to all the staff so as to protect themselves from the pandemic COVID-19. These directions are going to be given in writing to the Dean as well as the Health Services Director so that other things can continue. We don't want to deal with other complicated health issues at a later stage. So this is the situation as of now, and we are doing our best from the health services and the health side to deal with this pandemic. But one thing you must know, that beds are full, and as a result of which there is a spike slowly moving upwards, and it is the media's assistance and support that we require to emphasize on the people. They are eligible for the vaccination above 45. It is a straight above 45. Everybody is eligible. Nobody below 45 will be given the vaccination. This is a Government of India direction that has come. We will strictly go by that direction. No one below 45 will be given the vaccination. Only people above 45 will be given the vaccination. And we want people, in other states, people are queuing up to take the vaccination, while in Goa we find it very difficult to mobilize people to take the vaccination. Hence it is very important for people to come forward, take the vaccination so that they remain safe, and also the impact of COVID on the individuals who are already vaccinated is apparently much less. So as a result of which, we want the media's support also to emphasize on these points. So this is the situation as far as COVID-19 in the state goes. And I also feel personally as a health minister, time has come for us to take some steps in terms of restrictions, which will be decided by the Disaster Management Committee as per the guidelines of Government of India. As a state, we need to take some steps. Some restrictions are required. Otherwise, this will go out of hand. It will be difficult for us to control it at a later stage. आणि कितें विचारूंक जाय? जालें आमचें सांगपाचें.
बेळगांव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.